still coming out.
It smells amazing here.
Nah, like the way it's really, really nice. What's going on there? Yo, wagwan. Yo, wagwan. So guys, this is our 4th episode. We're so glad to have you back.
It's been really fun. I'm not gonna lie, I've been having a lot of fun. The experiences are just next level.
Yeah.
Good food, good company. I'm loving it.
So we've gone through 3 episodes so far. So like, what's your most memorable like dish? You know, what happened that just like after stuff?
My most memorable dish would definitely have to be the tofu because I could actually eat that one. It was so good. It was really good. It was really
amazing. Like I don't know what they did with the tofu, but it never tastes like tofu.
So magic.
Oh.
For real. Joby said it that it didn't give that tofu vibe. But trust me, really and truly, it never gave it at all. I never did that one.
Do you know what my most memorable? Do you know what my favorite memory was?
What?
When light go away.
Oh my goodness!
In episode 2, the light went away. The Williams cousins came in and they decided that they were gonna go fully oven. And when they turned on the oven, light gone.
They just went like that. But it's been a lot of great memories. I'm not gonna lie. The first episode with the
stuffed chicken breast.
Yeah, that was good. And then even how they did the teriyaki chicken leg. That was pretty cool too.
Street style versus OG teriyaki. It was really
good. And I can't wait to see what the new guests will bring today.
Yes.
We feel like going.
My team, of course. Duh.
You know what, man? That's for the Williams. We have come this far. We've made it this far by faith. I'm going to say them about this episode.
Oh, wait, you know what we didn't tell the people?
Who?
I'm at 2 and he's at 1.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
I'm winning.
It's not about us. It's about the contestants and the good vibes. But it will be about us again once I win this one.
But Jamaica, tell the truth. Y'all are voting for me, right? I mean, I win. So, yeah.
If she says so.
Of course.
We're going to work with it.
All right.
Who are our guests for today?
So, today our guests are the Forbes. I mean, they came in, they have this like beach vibe, really chill. So, I'm really ready to see the interaction between the Williams that are super intense, super focused. Whereas the Forbes, they're laid back, they're chill, they're cool. But before we bring them in, let's pan to our judges. What's up, guys?
Hi everyone, I'm Kadia, your repeat judge. I've been here for 4 whole episodes and with me is Joby. This is our 2nd time.
Yeah.
Yes. Last week was epic with the tofu, right?
Yeah, tofu, the gun rubber.
Yeah man, it did slap. And today we are really looking forward to the food.
Yeah.
So can't wait to see what they're gonna whip up.
Yeah, for sure. I'm really excited, I just want to fill my belly and so,
Alright, cool. So we're going back over to Gigi and Boise. Yeah.
We are so happy that the judges are having a good time just as much as we are.
Exactly.
Let me tell you, it's just been an amazing experience. The tofu still have a buzz. We still have to talk about it right now.
Yeah.
But I can't wait to see what they're going to be cooking today.
Honestly, you know what I want to know? I want to know if what they're going to cook today is going to be just as amazing as the tofu or even better.
Oh, that's a tough act to follow.
Exactly.
Like we see if they're going to bring it now.
That's crazy. You know what we're going to do now? Of course, we're going to let them in. The Forbes and the Williams are going to come inside right now. Let's go. Hey, fam!
Hey.
Welcome to Williams!
Welcome to Williams.
We're still friends.
Let them have their time. Let them have their time. And of course, we're welcoming my team, the Forbes!
Prepare to be crushed by Williams.
First of all, no. Please remember, Jamaica, that my squad is leading, even with all of the changes.
For now.
For all of the series, for every single episode.
No.
We won one.
Yes, but in my eyes, you guys won everything.
Well, and in the eyes of the camera in Jamaica, I've won twice.
And that's fine. That's
We'll give you a
not much
third.
right.
Yes! Jamaica, what they're gonna be doing. So as you guys know, our couples don't know where they might cook. But guess what? We know.
What will it be? What will it be? Ooh, these bags look heavy. They don't look heavy.
Oh man, they're lighter than the last time. Because this time they're gonna be doing coconut curry rundown with ready? Saltfish.
Oh wow, it's enough.
Oh wow! I feel a little apprehension in the room. Team Williams sounds very apprehensive. Yes, saltfish rundown. Coconut curry, saltfish rundown. You know, yeah, curry. Of course, Jamaica, you know, so we have the better pack curry. No other curry better than this.
We're gonna mash it up. We're gonna mash it up.
Team, y'all got it.
We're gonna mash it up. We're gonna mash it up. You don't know what they're going with this.
Listen, it's called intense preparation. Rundown.
Curry rundown.
Listen, Jamaica.
Curry coconut rundown. Yo, we can do this. Thanks for that. We got this. We got this. We got this.
So guys, we're gonna leave them to it, and guess what? We move forward.
Prepping, you're doing the most and all of that stuff.
That's always doing the most.
How's it going? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You feeling good?
I'm feeling
This is your
good.
first time doing rundown?
Yeah. For me, first time I ever doing curry rundown.
Ooh.
You make it on, well, we don't call it rundown, but we've made curry with coconut milk before.
Okay.
Not in a rundown form, but
Alright, nice. Tell Jamaica how much fun you guys have been having over the past week.
It's been good. It's been hard. Surprising, but good.
yeah, for me it's been rough. Like, especially I can't stop talking about it. It threw me off because I was just like, what am I gonna do with this? I've never even seen tofu like that. You know, you just pass it in the supermarket, but it's been an overall great experience and I love it. Like the thrill and everything, it's been good.
I'm really happy that you guys are having fun. I've been having a lot of fun. It's just been an amazing experience. But you know what? I'm not gonna chat out in the time because
I want to win.
And yes, I need you to win.
That's
like,
right.
you know, shout out to the Forbes. He's over here doing them thing. But you guys are the winners, right?
Yes.
What's up, guys? We are here with our lovely judges. Wanna smell what going on in the kitchen?
Oh my god.
Yes.
They're feeling good.
Have you ever had rundown like this before with the saltfish?
I've had a rundown a few times in my life. I don't know why the rundown tastes nice. But I don't know, it's not something that my mom used to make when I was here, so I didn't have it a lot. But I've had it a couple times and it's nice because I've never had curry rundown. So yeah, it really was.
I don't think I've ever had it like this before either. It's normally just with the coconut milk.
Yeah.
No, I've never had curry rundown with anything. So there's that.
Yeah.
So again, this is the first time for me. But based on the first that I've had on this show, yeah man, I'm excited. I can't wait to see it so far.
So guys,
Yeah.
unpopular opinion, I despise rundown.
Is she even Jamaican?
I think you need to get up.
Despite the first time.
No, when I tell you say I do like I've had some bad experiences with it and well, I despise mangoes. Hate me, yes, and I despise aki.
Oh wow. It's a full-on testimonial going on right now.
So many red flags right here. So many red flags.
You know what? It's fine. Because I'm hate because I don't like mangoes. So I'm sorry. I can like the love of my life.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Crazy. Wow, there's a first time for everything. The first person we meet, we just get a blanket at it.
No, I've never gotten over here. Let me tell you, like, honest truth, I used to eat aki when I was younger, but then as I got older, it just never tastes good.
Damn, that's sad. Can't relate.
But guys, are you totally excited?
Yeah, and it smells really good in here.
Feel the bird. And it looks good. I'm still planting. I'm a love planting. Yes. Yep.
Well, guys, you heard it here, right here on the couch. It's always be a vibes and be a nice is a one right here. So, stay tuned. We'll soon come back.
Honestly, don't know. This is just my creative mindset coming out.
It smells amazing in here.
Nah, like, the way it smells really, really nice.
What's going on there?
Yo, what go on? Hey team, what's going on?
There.
Yes, I love to see it. So, are you guys excited?
Yeah, it is interesting. Never done this before, so
Yeah.
it is interesting.
Yeah,
We're
right.
winners.
Of course. I mean, what else?
Planting on the spoon. You don't gotta go.
Can't look at too long.
Alright, I won't keep you guys too long, but I realize, you guys have this tag team thing going on. Somebody over here, somebody over here. How does it work in the kitchen when you're usually at home?
Well, when we're at home, it's either or.
Because of
So-
a baby, so one have to stay.
Yeah, so it's one relax, one cook.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna allow you guys to get back to it because coconut curry, Rundung,
Yeah, want to make sure everybody alright.
Yeah, everyone already been in something
that's serious.
And the coconut milk serious. And just make sure everyone open the skull of the saltfish today. We don't over. Is it really? Yeah.
I know the thing.
We're alright. Then go Jamaica. I think listen up.
We're good.
We're not getting up. Cheetah. So,
I wish that they could smell how good the place smell right now.
Honestly.
Because them one with themselves in the
I'm
kitchen
like
and
they were
wait
late.
to taste it. I'm saying I can't even taste it because it's saltfish, so I can eat it too. Super excited. The judges are already there.
Yes, and I can tell they're very excited to be look at Matthew's plating. I mean,
It looks good.
do you see what he did with his plantings? I've never seen
that before.
That's a vibe. And the Forbes presentation. Presentation.
And it's all curry, but we can see that we have two different colors.
Yes,
That's really dope.
Jamaica, we were behind set trying to figure out what does the curry look like? Like the Forbes curry, we're at first on camera it was looking like avocado. No judgment. Honestly, production team and I were like avocado.
Oh my God.
What is that green? But IRL, it looks like curry now.
Yeah,
IRL.
it's looking good. And the platinum, you can never go wrong with platinum.
Of course.
So who's this who's? I just want to be sure.
Okay.
This is for the Williams.
This is the Williams.
And this is the
Forbes.
Forbes.
Okay.
Loving the presentation.
Yes. Presentation. Alright, judges. Taste time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was starting with the Forbes first.
Right, yeah.
Amen.
Look like it tastes good.
Jamaica boys are so excited.
Yes.
He's more excited than when he was looking for the tofu.
Yeah, because now it's like, okay, they're catering for me. These are things that I eat.
I'm Jamaica, unfortunately, y'all know I don't eat Rundung, but
Alright, they're contemplating a lot of silent eating. That's why it tastes good. Yes.
Sure what?
Or let's assume it looks like it tastes good. So
of course, my team, they're killing it. Let's go.
Right. Good time for you know.
Okay. Ruminate the flavors. Fancy word.
Alright, what are we feeling? We're starting off with Kadia. Oh, alright.
Starting off with Joey.
Starting off with Joey. Since you're still sipping.
I mean, you know, it's delectable. Yeah, I like it. I really like it. Somehow I'm tasting everything that I should taste. I'm tasting the saltfish, I'm tasting the curry, I'm tasting the rundung taste. Like, yeah, everything. Yes.
And the coconut milk, which is the most.
Yeah, I taste everything.
Tastes like it cook.
Nice.
Yeah, and the plantain them are bun up, which is good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Them plantain look like somebody with a degree in a
Yeah,
right? Fire control.
Yeah, uptown plantain got good school.
Yeah. I agree with Joby in terms of no one thing in this dish is overpowering another thing. So it's like the flavors.
Yeah,
just
harmonize.
yeah, it's well blended, and I love that.
Yeah.
It's actually, I've never had coconut curry rundung before, so I'm loving it.
Wait, so try it
I like
again?
this. I will definitely try this again.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Alright.
Kudos to the Forbes.
Great job.
Yeah.
Alright. Team Williams, you look like so now have our run for Uno money.
Let's see. Yes, let's see if we can catch him on heat.
Because I've never seen that like this already.
Same. Like it's all delectable. Like it's looking all delicate and fancy restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, this would like would have cost millions of dollars.
See them about them here, that means there's something I'm wrong.
Yeah, like they want dig it.
Wow, this is gonna be hard.
Oh, you hear that?
Do you hear that comment?
Hard. Wow.
No man. But you know, last time they said that it was going to be hard, and of course my team won. Putting it out there. I'm just putting that into the atmosphere. You know? So you know God can
I'm
pick
still
it
not
up
giving up on
and chill with.
Williams.
Oh, you can't give up on them.
Yet. Not giving up on the Williams too.
Alright, so look like they're still on. Them stop now, them are
No man, they must still have move. They must still move.
Them are enjoying.
Okay.
Oh gosh, they're going to wash it off because they're going to try it again like last time, remember?
Hey. Hey. Oh my goodness. So what are we feeling? What are we feeling?
Well, let's start. Let's talk about the presentation first of all.
The presentation.
I mean, I feel like this is something I'll go into like one of those upscale New York restaurants.
Yeah, like
It's for me and it's so pretty. You don't want to touch it.
New York
Scallion.
Yeah.
Salt Bay vibes.
Yes.
Yes.
The Williams always get an A+ for presentation.
Nice.
Yeah, pretty
I
good.
don't know, something about, I don't know what kind of seasonings they use, but something about the saltfish is giving me like an Indian
Curry.
Yeah, it's giving me Indian curry.
Yeah.
No, sir.
I thought the same thing. Like
I've never heard of
like
somebody
them
taking
said.
it.
Curry.
I don't know
Rundung,
if
yeah.
Forbes get normal Jamaican pot curry and Indian curry.
The producer skipped some Indian curry into
Yeah, but it's
skipping
still-
Oh man, I'm not like that. Advantage. I forgot to be so far.
It's giving me Indian kind of
Jamaican.
vibe. I don't really taste the coconut milk so much in this one, but the flavors are there. I'm just not really getting the rundown taste.
Okay.
But it's very nice. Like I really like it. Flavors are very strong. Like them are kick.
Yeah.
Flavors are
Love
kick.
to hear it.
So guess what? Let's leave them to deliberate over there.
Oh,
Cool.
I
tried it. Yeah, but tell you when they been up clear them palate, them taste it again, it's just really weird.
Wow.
Jamaica, I mean, we're completely excited. I don't love Rundung, but you know, I actually would try it. Like,
I love Rundung, so me, I will mash it up. It looks really good, and I want to see what both the teams, brought to it. Because just looking at them, you can see that two different, very different approaches to the traditional dish. So I really want to dig in and try that. But we feel like a win.
What do you mean you can't ask me? Of course, my
that's true. I know who you think is going to win.
I know.
You know what? I love the fact that they're having a hard time. So it shows that both of these teams really brought their A game.
Yeah, they gave their all in the kitchen. I mean, they were literally like down to the last.
Blood, sweat, and tears.
Yeah.
But that's not in the food though. It was just like, yeah. That's good.
I'm not really like, though. Like, the way we have to get their planting was way different. Crazy different. And that's what I think, like, throughout the last few episodes, that's what I've realized about them. Like, they take creativity and innovativeness to a next level. They say, alright, we're going to take regular Jamaican food and just up the game.
Alright, it looks like the judges have decided. I see them eating again.
Judges, you have been already?
Judges have decided to win.
The Forbes are going to win. The Forbes are going to win. The Forbes are going to win. My team is going to win. My team is the winner. My team is the winner. Go Forbes. Go Forbes.
Go Billy, go Billy. Hey,
go Forbes. Go Forbes. Go Forbes. Go Forbes. Go Forbes. Y'all hear my chicken? You know what this reminds me of? You know when they're on, oh my god, that when they have the thing on their yeah, man.
Alright, the moment that we've all been waiting for.
Yes. Let's see, guys, who is the winner?
Well, since Katie's always having me do the announcements, it was a hard decision, because both dishes taste amazing. But in terms of who really understood the assignment, we will have to give it to the couple. The couple that has a woman. The couple where the woman has locks.
I feel like you should just lift up the thing.
And the winner is the Forbes.
Again, Jamaica.
Congratulations to the Forbes. The Williams, we love you. Please do not hate us.
Yeah, man.
Please don't love us.
The Forbes, the Forbes won by 0.5. Yeah,
like a little bit.
0.5.
I have to speak.
They won by half a mark. Yeah.
But you know what? It's fine because it's their channel, so they're always winning. Always winning.
Alright, Jamaica. I'm not going to tell you a lie. 3 times. It wasn't in a row, but it's 3 times. I'm winning. I'm killing it.
Yeah, I'll give it.
My side.
Yeah, they've been doing it. I'm gonna have to have a coaching session with Williams, to just get them to do what they need to be doing. Yeah, because I always get there, but we never.
We just tip them out of the finish.
It's alright. We hope that
this was basic, exactly. It was a photo finish. It was basically a tie, but
yeah.
Good vibes.
Yeah, always. So guys, we just want to tell you guys thank you so much for joining us for this, the 4th episode. Can you guys believe it? Number 4. And guess what exciting things? The last episode in this series is coming up next, and then we're going to bring it to a next level.
Yes. Then we're going to the bird.
Jesus.
That's the bird.
Not the bird.
Wait, no, another one then.
Oh, then we're going to go the bird.
Yeah. So we're gonna end it in our characteristic, how we do it style. It's like love and encourage. There it is. Judges, y'all want to say it with us?
Oh, okay.
Live, love, and encourage. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Live, love, and encourage.